Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Together with me, Zaida with Amin, in this presentation about analysis of Malaysia's primary commodities and trade barriers special on topic of rubber. This presentation is made for AGB713. So in this presentation, we'll conclude introduction, production, market analysis, export challenge, impact, and also future outlook. Let me introduce you about rubber. So the rubber industry has a long history in Malaysia, dating back to the early 20th century when it was introduced as a cash crop during British colonial rule. So rubber has been a cornerstone of Malaysia's economy for decades, contributing significantly to its growth and development. Malaysia is one of the world's leading producers and exporters of natural rubber, with the industry playing a vital role in various sectors, including agriculture, manufacturing, and also trade. But however, the rubber industry has faced challenges in recent years, such as declining global prices and competition from synthetic rubber. After this, I will explain to you why the declining in rubber products. So this is about the production of rubber in the world. So by 2022, record by DOSM, so Malaysia have been the seven ranking of producers in the world. Before this, Malaysia always been the top ranking number one for the rubbers producers. But unfortunately, Malaysia have been the ranking for number seven because the declining of the production itself. So Thailand will be the number one, and we also have lost to the Ivory Coast, also to the Vietnam, and also to the nearest neighbors, which is Indonesia. And for your information, Malaysia only produced in 2019 640,000 metric tons only, and for 2020 515,000 metric tons, 2021 470,000 metric tons, 2022 only 377 metric tons, and for 2023 only 348,000 metric ton. So we can see the declining phase on products of rubber in Malaysia. So no wonder Malaysia have been the seventh country that produce rubber. So for the market analysis between 1990 and 2019, global rubber production recorded as the increasing from 0.5 billion tons to 1.4 billion tons, with the average growth of 3% per annum recorded by MRB 2020. But Malaysia, unfortunately, declining over the same time period by 46%, from 1.3 million tons to 0.6 million tons, and also recorded by Malaysia Rubber Board 2020. So guys, why this happened? This happened because of some rubber farmers leave farming altogether to pursue non-agricultural jobs. It is stated by Fintrini et al. 2010. So this impact have been seen as the decline of the total national rubber planting area by 44%, from 1.8 million hectares in 1990 to 1 million hectares in 2019, as stated by MRB 2020. But however, RISDA have been not only RISDA, but the department have stated that there are 420,000 hectares are not are not tapped by the owner, and that also will affect the production of rubber. So for rubber products, what is the export challenge? I list only three the main export challenge. And the export challenge are trade policies, market volatility, and also price competitions. So in trade policies, we have tariff, non-tariff, and also we have free trade agreement. So because of this tariff, that one stringent quality standard, it will create barriers for exporters. So for market volatility, we all know that the price of natural rubber can fluctuate significantly, which is it is a challenge to the rubber producers, especially smallholders. So for price competition, we have this because of China and other countries often offers a lower prices for rubber products that will make it difficult for Malaysian exporters to compete. Other than that, we have impact, which is come from the policy and also the trade barriers. First, we will have policy inconsistencies. When we have a political issue, the policy will have the impact also. So it will lack confident policy frameworks. And also it will create a disparities in competitiveness and also hampers the development of the cohesive global rubber trade system. So we also have market volatility. So the global rubber market is highly volatile with the price often fluctuate, like I said before. So it will make competition from synthetic rubber and also geopolitical factors. And number three, we have impact from the trade barriers, especially a tariff, non-tariff, and also free trade agreement that will complicate the market access for the rubber producing countries. We also have impact from the environmental regulation, and also we also know that starting from 2024 we also have been we have been introduced to the MSNR, which is a Malaysian Sustainability National Rubber. The concept of Malaysia Sustainable National Rubber is same as MSPO, which is a Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil. To gain the confidence from our buyers and market outsider, we need to persuade the buyers in order to make our rubber demanding so high and also being the highest quality. But however, when the environmental regulations are here, we will face the compliance pressure for eco-friendly and deforestation-free supply chains. Are not eager to be in other agricultural sectors. So we need to provide socio-economic benefit for the smallholder farmers, such as introduce them to the advanced technology and also maybe credit transfer to the farmers, and maybe we can enhance the programs that suit the farmers. We also can reduce barriers and improve the market access by harmonize the trade barriers so that we can improve our export and also import product. And we will have to make sure that environmental sustainability is in the alignment of global in the global commitment, so that we will move we will move as the world need. Identification of factors of influencing trade patterns, including market demand, price trend, and also the competition between the natural and synthetic rubber, as to make sure that we know that the market opportunities for the rubber. So guys, thank you for watching this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.